Hello guys, my name is Sunil Tomar. I welcome you to Coders Planet. This is the another video of React Webpack TypeScript series. In this video, I am going to cover how to write different Webpack configuration for the different environment for production grade application, and this is the required for enable the Webpack for do some optimization according to the environment. Uh, as we know there are multiple dependency which is required at the time of development, but that those dependencies are not required at the development time. So before going into the details, so let me explain you a brief introduction of previous two videos. So in the first video I have covered created basic folder structure and created basic component and printed hello world on the browser, and also some TS configuration and Webpack configuration I did. And in the second video I added a Webpack configuration for the supporting CSS style, SVG and images. And this is the third video in which I am going to cover different Webpack configuration file for the different environment, right? So let me start with the previous project, and let me start it again npm by writing npm start. So npm start. So it is running, and just Chrome. Okay, so you can see on the browser screen there is hello React, and this is what I have done in the previous two videos. So now it's time to add different configuration for different environments. So let me take you to VS Code editor. So in the VS Code editor you can see okay, so this is the package.json file, and this is the tools, and inside that tools there is a Webpack configuration, and inside the Webpack configuration there is a Webpack config.js file, and inside that I am going to create three more file for our requirement. So just I am removing this file. First step is this, and now I'm renaming this file as the common configuration and common. And second step, I'm creating one more file, configuration.js, and adding two more files, webpack develop development.js and webpack production.js. And this is the four files which we required, right? So first of all, I am writing the code for the development. So I'm just copy pasting the project code for saving your time. So for the development I'm writing this code. So you can see this is the Webpack package, and this is the configuration mode, development, dev tool, so cheap map, source map. Okay, so mode development means that it enables the Webpack to optimize the build. So while in the development, and this is the dev tool which is required for the reverse build process, so to locate the error in the particular file. And this is the plugins I have added, and I will show you this in the on the browser, right? And I am writing same configuration for the production, right? So I'm module dot exports, just okay, so you can see mod equal to production right? And dev tool, dev tool, do, dev tool. Inside the dev tool, I'm writing source map. Dev tool as source map, and okay, and one plugin here, plugin as plugins in new Webpack dot define plugin. Okay, so here I'm writing process dot env dot title. Inside the title, json dot stringify. Inside the stringify, I'm writing just to uh, react production, right? So it will receive the production title. Okay, so now I need to remove this. Now I am writing common configuration. Okay, so I am writing Webpack configuration. Inside the Webpack configuration, this is the file which is actually the first file which will be executed from the package.json. So I am writing here common configuration module dot exports. I am writing here, yeah, where env, where inside that I'm writing, okay, so const env from env from equal to env where, from the env where I'm writing this configuration. Now I have to take common configuration env config from require. Just I'm importing, and yeah, webpack dot dollar env dot js, right? And const config equal to merge merge common config common config equal to env config. Okay, so this will only merge the configuration and return configuration from here. Okay, so config, so this is done. I think just one thing I need to add here as import const common configuration from require common configuration. Okay, so now this is done. What I need to do, okay, now I need to go into this browser. I need to write here env equal to development development. This is the argument which is received there in this file here, and I'm writing this as this part of this, and development define plugin, everything I think done, production. Okay, so to process these things I need to import npm install npm one package I need to install for this, npm merge, npm I, just npm I webpack merge. Okay, so now I think we are done. Let me go into the common, okay, configuration, merge configuration. So merge where it comes from, okay, so it will come from merge package. Now it's done, and now I have to write npm start Okay, so we've received some error, Webpack undefined. So we have not received variable over here. So for that, what we need to do, I need to pass again, go to the package.json file, check it, Webpack env, sorry, env equal to development. Now again start. Again something goes wrong. It is saying development undefined. So you can see spelling of development. I need to go here and pass this development. Okay, need to run it again, and it is giving one more error. Development cannot find a development module. So let me check it. Now it will try to find out. Okay, now you can see this has been run successfully. So let me show you in the browser. Okay, so you can see now I need to write some thing to identify this is the running in the development mode, right? So I need to go into the code editor. So in the code editor, Visual Studio code. Okay, so it is not visible. Why? Chrome code. Let me show you again Sublime code editor. Okay, so you can see now it is visible, and you can see the app.configuration. Sorry, app.tsx component. I am writing only title over here, span process dot env dot title. Okay, so let me show you again in the browser. So you can see, let me make it bigger. H2, inside the H2 I have written this, so you can see it is visible completely to you. Now you can see it is from the dev environment. Now I need to run this as a production environment. So let me move to the package.json file. First of all, let me switch to the uh, Webpack configuration. So you can see Webpack configuration. Okay, so in the VS Code editor, I have to go into the package.json file. Inside that, I need to add one more file, sorry, one more line for build our project. You can see build command and Webpack configuration tools, Webpack config.js. Inside the Webpack, inside that there is environment variable env, and env equal to production, right? So it will run your project into the production mode. So npm run build. Now it will run in the build mode. Okay, so you can see in just a second it is not visible. So okay, you can see, and this is the one bundle build folder. Inside that there is bundle.js file, bundle.js license, and all this is the bundle from your project, and you can run this in the browser directly. Copy path, and I paste it into the browser, so you can see how it process. and I'm closing all the tabs and running this from the, you can see this is the production code, and you can see this React production, and this is what I want to explain you in this video. So thank you so much, all of you guys. We will meet in the next video for hot model replacement. Thank